Now we want to make a festival meal with the flour, with wheat. And today in this lesson 3, I want to show you different kind. Different kind is a very massive information, and I already told the theoretical part. This is the first part, is preparing the dough in 3 kinds. What I'm thinking I want to, and also preparing the pork filling. The pork is a part of filling. When we start wrap and work in maybe 4 or 5 hours, then the taste is coming in here, and the dough after 4 hours is very tasty. So that's why I first prepare, and then we go out. The first one I want to show is the wrap, the Chinese wrap, how to make it by yourself. 就是大饼、煎饼，不是煎饼，是东北的那种春饼。It's called the spring. The spring bean is flat board. Everything is flat. The bread bean. So I cook this at 100 degrees, just cooked. Be careful, it's very hot. Don't get yourself injured, okay? I protect this surface because it's not my kitchen. I don't want to hurt it.
What's the difference between hot water and cold water?
Oh, don't touch it. I'm used to, so if you cannot just
no, for the dough.
Yeah, it's it's very easy if you can, but if you would hurt yourself, just leave it. Okay, it's not for. But I learned it really with 6 years, so don't think it's very dangerous, isn't it? If you can deal with this, and you know how, because this is very thick, so it's not hot. Yeah.
Why you take cooked water?
Because 烫过面就叫死面。When we cook, this is like dead flour. It means with the 100 degrees, the potential to get ferment or so, like this is ferment. This is kind of, with yeast is working. The bacteria is working to let it not, how to say it, to alle Bakterien töten. Alle Bakterien töten. That it's not going.
You find it in the description.
对，是死面，就是。
Check the description.
I can tell it in Chinese why, but I cannot. I'm not so. English is my 3rd language. I cannot do that. In German ist es so, einfach die Bakterien töten, dass die nicht in der Lage sind, noch irgendwie so hoch zu gehen. Das ist einfach, damit ich dann hinterher ganz ganz flachen, durchsichtigen und dehnbaren und gar nicht. Also ansonsten, wenn ich mit den rohen mache, dann gibt es Löcher beim Wrap. Also when I don't do this, then you want to wrap something, so you get the dough with a hole. You don't have let's say. You don't have the tender. I want to 就是说它这个面最后它那个面要实际上是要薄，然后呢要不破，吃的时候不破，这个就是 why。
用汤水的原因。
对 ，You can translate for me， 米小爱。
No. Please just read the description.
We will
Our
translate.
descriptions always are very detailed.
The description is like this. YouTube only allow me to make 500 characters.
5,000.
5,000, and some lessons is a lot of detail. I cannot finish that. And in the past 3 weeks, I have some situation that I need to write 8,000 characters. Then I made it in 3 languages and put it in a comment. So in 3 languages, English, Chinese, and German. So. If you see that in comment, it's lot of our own text, then it means it's a very difficult. It's a difficult dish. Maybe it's for you very interesting to watch the whole lesson. Whole series. Some take time. If you want to learn some series, just take time, half an hour, and made yourself. Be patient. And my English is bad, but maybe you can use the subtitles or the good translation feature from YouTube, and just take time to watch. So I think the most expensive experiences is that are the films with the comment, and this will definitely have a comment. I know it now. Okay, so then this is ready. You just let it have a rest. I will put the foil on top. Then this wait 4 hours, 5 hours, I don't know. Okay, so this is finished.